Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? And I hope that you will be fine there. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे. In my last video we have completed future perfect. Today I am going to teach you present perfect continuous, in which I am going to let you know how to make time and duration and how to tell the time and duration by using present perfect continuous. So present perfect continuous present perfect continuous. This is the topic today, and right now I'm going to let you know about the structure. And the structure is structure. And the structure is, the first of all you have to use subject plus helping verb, has, have plus been plus first form of the verb ing plus object. And here let me remind you guys, now we are telling the time and duration. For time and duration we have to put since and for. Since and for. Since and for, okay? Plus time period, full stop. It is the formula of affirmative. So now I have written over here present perfect continuous, and the structure is subject, and there are two helping verbs, has and have, been, first form of the verb ing plus object, and since, for, and plus time. Okay, so now I'm gonna let you know the few examples by which you are gonna make a lot of sentences. So let's go to the examples. Adding examples. And example number 1. He has been. He has been reciting the Holy Quran since morning. It means he has been reciting the Holy Quran since morning. वो सुबह से कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर रहा है. Number 2, she has been cleaning the house for an hour. Full stop. She has been cleaning the house for an hour means वो 1 घंटे से घर की सफाई कर रही है. Number 3, I have been waiting for you since 2 o'clock. I have been waiting for you since 2 o'clock. मैं 2 बजे से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। नंबर 4, we have been calling. We have been calling them for 5 minutes, and we have been calling them for 5 minutes means हम उनको 5 मिनट से बुला रहे हैं। And number 5, you have been reading. You have been reading newspaper since ऐसा करते हैं, टाइम लिख लेते हैं, since Monday, okay? So you have been reading newspaper since Monday. It means तुम मंडे से न्यूज़पेपर अखबार पढ़ रहे हो। So right now I give you 5 examples. The topic is present perfect continuous and structured subject. There are 2 helping words, has and have been, first form of the verb with ing plus object, since for plus time. So you must be thinking why we are using here since and for. So I'm gonna let you know, for telling the time and duration we are using since and for, okay? So now I give you different examples, approximately 5, and as well as translation. So I hope that you must have understood these affirmative sentences, okay? So let's go to the negative sentence. So how to make the negative sentence? I'm gonna let you know. The negative sentence बनाने के लिए let's go to the structure once again. So here you have to write subject has, have. After the helping verbs you add not and plus been, okay? And then plus. The subject plus has, have plus not, been, first form of the verb ing plus object, since for plus time, okay? So it is a very easy structure. After getting affirmative, just you are going to add not after the helping verbs, it is going to be negative. So here the negative structure is here, subject plus has, have plus not plus been, first form of the verb ing plus object, since for plus time, and it is a negative sentence, okay? So now how to make the negative sentences here, once again I'm going to give you a few examples. यहाँ पर मैं आपको कुछ examples देता हूँ कि आप इसको negative कैसे बनाएंगे. So suppose I'm going to rub these sentences. So because I'm going to make new sentences which are in my mind, they're using negative structure. Number 1, he has not been plucking flowers. He has not been plucking flowers for 2 days. For 2 days, okay? This is the negative. And next one, number 2, she has not been teaching English. She has not been teaching English since 2024 मीन्स वो 2024 से इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ा रही है। एंड नंबर 3, I have not been speaking Urdu for, ऐसा करते हैं, हम कर लेते हैं, for 1 week, okay? For 1 week means मैं एक हफ्ते से इंग्लिश नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। We have not been operating computer since Friday. It means हम जुम्मे से कंप्यूटर नहीं चला रहे हैं। नंबर 5, you have not been eating fruits for 2 hours। for 2 hours यानी तुम 2 घंटे से फ्रूट नहीं खा रहे हो। So once again, actually, I was teaching you present perfect continuous negative sentences. So here is the structure. Subject has have not been, first form of the verb ing, object since for plus time. So right now I gave you few examples to make you people understand, so that you are going to make many sentences by using your mind. So listen, the example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told you with translation. Okay, he has not been plucking flowers for 2 days. वो 2 दिन से फूल नहीं तोड़ रहा है। She has not been teaching English since 2024. वो 2024 से इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ा रही है। I have not been speaking Urdu for 1 week. मैं एक हफ्ते से उर्दू नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। We have not been operating computer since Friday. मैं जुम्मे से कंप्यूटर नहीं चला रहा हूँ। You have not been eating fruits for 2 hours. It means तुम 2 घंटे से फल नहीं खा रहे हो। So here I gave you few examples to make you people understand negative sentences, but right now let's go to the interrogative sentences, okay? So guys, there is a question that how to make interrogative sentences by using this topic present perfect continuous. So first of all, you have to write the structure. So I'm going to let you know how to write the structure of interrogative sentences, okay? So listen, the first of all you have to write has, have plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb ing plus object plus since for plus time period and time and duration, okay? तो time आ जाएगा। So there is a structure of interrogative sentences, okay? Has subject been first form of the verb ing object since for plus time. So now I'm going to give you few examples so that you can understand very easily by these examples. So let's go to the examples. Example number 1. For example, has he been, क्या लगाएंगे? Has he been teaching the students for 2 years? Question mark. It means क्या वो 2 साल से बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा है? So you must put there question mark because we are making interrogative sentences. Number 2. Has she been doing shopping? Has she been doing shopping since 5 o'clock? Question mark. क्या वो 5 बजे से खरीदारी कर रही है? Number 3. Have I been playing cricket? Have I been playing cricket since morning? Question mark. क्या मैं सुबह से क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ? Number 4. And the number 4 is, have you been watering the plants for 5 days? Question mark. For 5 days. क्या तुम 5 दिन से पौधों में पानी दे रहे हो? And number 5. Have we asking questions since 8 o'clock? क्या हम 8 बजे से सवालात पूछ रहे हैं? Okay, so the very special thing which I'm going to let you know here for making the interrogative sentences, you have to use first helping verbs. Okay, these are the helping verbs. Look at the structure. Has, subject, been for some of the verb, ing, object, since, for, and time. Okay, so I'm gonna let you remind that we are making interrogative sentences. Right after that, I'm gonna give you few examples to make you people understand. So example number 1, has he been teaching the students for 2 years? क्या वो 2 साल से बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा है? Has she been doing shopping since 5 o'clock? क्या वो 5 बजे से शॉपिंग कर रही है? Have I been playing cricket since morning? क्या मैं सुबह से क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ? And have you been watering the plants for 5 days? क्या तुम 5 दिनों से पौधों में पानी दे रहे हो? Have we been? Have we? अच्छा guys, listen to me. यहाँ पे एक चीज रह गई, been. यहाँ पे been लगेगा. Understand? So, have we been asking questions since 8 o'clock? क्या हम 8 बजे से सवालात पूछ रहे हैं? So today the topic is present perfect continuous. So I told you all structures: affirmative, negative, and interrogative, and as well as I gave you examples related to the structures. So I hope that you must have understood this topic today. So inshallah ta'ala, I'm going to come to you with my next topic. And before going, I'm going to let you know that guys, most of the people have a problem over here how to use scenes and for. So inshallah ta'ala, I'm going to teach you in my next video what is the difference between since and for and how to use in the sentences since and for. Okay, so right now I would like to say have a nice time and keep smiling on your face and take care about yourself, and don't forget to watch my next video. Allah Hafiz.